Welcome. In this lecture, we will discuss plant maintenance. Myself, Professor Piyush Joshi, Assistant Professor at Chemical Engineering Department of K. Wagh Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nashik. So, today we will discuss maintenance. So, as this figure shows, maintenance is to maintain, keep, preserve, and protect. Maintenance is a routine activity of keeping an equipment or a machine or a facility in plant in its normal working condition so that it can perform its intended function satisfactorily without causing any loss to the service time on the account of its breakdown. Maintenance is an activity designed to keep the resources in good working condition or restore them to operating status. The significant resource used to add value to products is the equipment or machinery. Therefore, the machinery and equipment should be maintained in good working condition. And if proper maintenance is not carried out, there may be too much downtime and break for production. If the machinery is a part of an assembly line, improper functioning of equipment and machinery may lead to issues related to quality of the product. So it would be good if the equipment or machinery are always maintained in working condition with minimum possible cost. And the proper maintenance schedule also minimize the overall maintenance cost needs and a holistic approach can be maintained. Sometimes the machinery may be outdated over a time period. If an organization or company wishes to continue competitive business, it is essential to look at whether to maintain with the existing machinery or to replace, considering the cost of operations and maintenance. Next point is maintenance activities pertaining to facilities and equipment in good working condition are indispensable to achieve specified level of quality, reliability and efficient working. Maintenance activity helps in maintaining and increasing the operational efficiency of equipment machineries in the facility or plant and thus contribute to revenue by reducing the operating cost and increasing the effectiveness of the production. So overall, maintenance is the function is to maintain, keep, preserve and protect the facilities available in the plant. Next is need of maintenance. So maintenance is a function to keep the equipment or machineries in their normal operating condition by servicing or replacing or repairing some of the components of the equipment or machinery. The concept of maintenance is to prepare a plan of action regarding the steps to be followed while carrying out the maintenance activity. Based on the history of machinery and the feedback oriented from users, concrete procedure for maintenance are developed and together it is called as maintenance policies, the development of which require manufacturer and user interaction. As a result, the manufacturer may redesign the equipment or machinery as maintenance requirements of the user. The need for maintenance of any equipment or machinery is to minimize the frequency of interruptions to the production by reducing the need of maintenance for any equipment or machinery is to minimize the frequency of interruptions to production by reducing breakdowns, to maximize the capacity of production using the given resources available in plant. Next is to increase the safety at workplace. Next motivation is to enhance the service reliability of the equipment. Next motivation of maintenance is to achieve the required quality of product or service through the well maintained equipments or machineries. Next need of maintenance is to maximize the service life of the equipment. And last but not least is to reduce the cost of repair or breakdown and hence the total production cost should be reduced. Objective of maintenance Objective of maintenance is to maintain the equipment in good working condition, and that results in lowest running cost of the equipment. The production schedule are not altered because of unavailability of equipment or machinery in good operating condition. The equipment's performance is reliable. Next is minimum breakdowns as equipment is well maintained. And last one is the service life of the equipment is extended. If we consider type of maintenance, the maintenance is broadly classified as plant maintenance and unplanned maintenance. Further, the plant maintenance is categorized as preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, and predictive maintenance. If we consider preventive maintenance, it is subdivided into the following categories: running maintenance, scheduled maintenance, and shutdown maintenance. If we consider corrective maintenance, the corrective maintenance is also include the shutdown maintenance as well as breakdown maintenance. Shutdown is frequent. Some plants are take the shutdown for some certain period, like sugar industries. So the corrective maintenance can also be taken place as shutdown maintenance and breakdown maintenance. Next is predictive maintenance, and that is together came in under the category of planned maintenance. Next type of maintenance is unplanned maintenance, and that maintenance is the case of emergency maintenance. If we consider planned versus unplanned maintenance, the planned maintenance is well organized type of maintenance work. It is carried out as per recorded procedures having proper control. Planned maintenance include the work and time study. So that are the features of planned maintenance. Whereas unplanned is the certain maintenance that is came under the emergency category. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.